Hi friends, ready to make your home smell like a breathtaking flower garden? This simple hack will transform your space, and trust me, your neighbors won't stop asking about it. Stick around, and I'll show you step by step how to create this magical mix that's super easy and budget-friendly. Let's dive in. Step 1. The scent foundation. Start with half a cup of your favorite fabric softener, the one you already adore. That dreamy fragrance is about to get even better. But wait, we're just getting started. Add half a cup of alcohol. Why alcohol? It's the secret sauce that intensifies the scent and helps it spread like magic throughout your home. Quick fun, drop your city in the comments. We'd love to see where you're watching from. Step 2. The perfect balance. Now add a cup of water, about 200 ml. This step is essential to dilute the mix just right, making sure your home smells incredible without being overwhelming. If you're excited to try this, hit that yes in the comments. Step 3. Mix and transfer. Give everything a good mix to ensure the ingredients blend beautifully. Then, grab a spray bottle and carefully pour in the mixture. A funnel can help avoid spills because every drop is precious. Step 4. The magical twist. Now for the star ingredient, cloves. Add a small amount, just enough to give your mixture an extra special touch. Not only do cloves smell amazing, but they're also a natural insect repellent. Step 5. Let it rest. Leave your mixture uncovered for about an hour. This gives the cloves time to release their amazing properties and blend perfectly with the other ingredients. And voila! Your homemade scent is ready to go. Spray it on your bathroom rug, granite countertops, curtains, or anywhere you want a fresh burst of fragrance. Watch your home transform into a dreamy paradise and feel proud knowing you saved tons of money on expensive store-bought sprays. Do you have a favorite DIY home hack? Share it below. I'd love to hear it. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tip with your friends. Thanks for hanging out until the end, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.